Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to start with the practical problem number 5. I will first read out the sum for you and explain you the sum, and then we'll do the working and the sum on the board. Okay. So see, Mr. Kishore and Mr. Lal are into partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3/4 and 1/4 respectively. That means Kishore 3/4 and Lal 1/4. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 is as follows. See, liabilities, amount, assets, amount. On the liability side, see, creditors, 1,20,000. Then general reserve, this is the accumulated profits in the partnership. That is rupees 12,000. Then capital is given, Kishore 90,000 and Lal 48,000. On the asset side, land and building 75,000. Then furniture 6,000. Stock 60,000. Debtors 60,000. Bills receivable 39,000 and cash at bank 30,000. Total of your balance sheet is 2,70,000. Now they decide to admit Ram on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. See, what are their terms and conditions? Number 1, he should be given 1/5 share in the future profits, and that he shall bring rupees 60,000 as capital through RTGS. Okay, he's going to transfer from his own account into the partnership account. So that is RTGS. Last year we have studied this term. Then number 2, goodwill should be raised at rupees 60,000. Now this is the new adjustment. Then 3rd, appreciate land and building by 20%. 4th, furniture and stock to be depreciated by 10%. Then capitals of all the partners should be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through bank account. Now again we have to adjust their capital according to their profit sharing ratio. Okay. So I will show you the working first. Okay. See, working notes. Let the total share of the firm be 1. Now I have told you the 3 plus 1 is 4, upon 4 is, if you mind cut that, it will be 1. So that is 1. How much? Now 1 minus 1/5. Why I am doing this? Because new partner will share future profits in the ratio of 1/5. So 4/5 will be remaining. Is it clear to you? Now see, Kishore's new ratio. What is their old profit sharing ratio? 3/4. And what is the remaining ratio? 4/5. So 3/4 into 4/5, it comes to 3 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Sorry, 3 4s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. Same way, Lal's new share is 1/4. Old profit sharing ratio was 1/4 and remaining 4/5 comes to 4/20. Now Ram's new share is 1/5. But since here the denominators are 20, we will have to make his denominator also 20. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply by same number, and means same numbers we are going to multiply and do it. So it should be 4. 4 5s will be 20. So here 20 and 4 1s are 4. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? See, new profit sharing ratio is Kishore, Lal and Ram. See, 12, 4 and 4. In the fourth table, all the things will go 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So this is their new capital sharing ratio. That is 3:1:1. Now how much? See, if he is bringing how much? 60,000. He is contributing rupees 60,000. So for one share, his share will also be 60,000. And for 3 shares, 6 3s will be 18. So 1,80,000. This will be the capital. Capitals. Okay. This is 1,80,000, 60,000 and 60,000. Have you understood this? This is important. And whatever adjustment they have, if suppose he has less than capital now, so he will have to bring. If he has more, he will be given back. But this ratio will be maintained. That is, in the new balance sheet, what will come? 1,80,000 for Kishore, Lal 60,000 and Ram 60,000. नए बैलेंस शीट में क्या आएगा? देखो, एक के लिए ये 60,000 लेके आ रहा है एक रेशियो के लिए, तो लाल का भी एक रेशियो है तो उसका भी 60,000 चाहिए. ये 3 है तो इसका कितना चाहिए? 1,80,000. तो ये कैपिटल्स आपको नए बैलेंस शीट में बताने हैं. Thus you are going to show it in the new balance sheet, and whatever excess or deficit will be adjusted in the cash account. Now in the second adjustment, what they have said, goodwill is to be raised. This Ram, he did not bring the amount of goodwill. In the last 3 sums, 4 sums, we have seen that goodwill was bought by the new partner or the incoming partner. But Ram did not bring the amount of goodwill. So what they have decided, the existing partner, Kishore and Lal, ये existing partner ने क्या decide किया है? क्योंकि इसने goodwill का amount लाया ही नहीं है, इसने सिर्फ capital लाया है. तो इन्होंने सोचा कि हम लोग अपने books of accounts में raise करेंगे goodwill. तो raise करने के लिए सी entry for goodwill as goodwill is to be raised in the books of accounts. देखो goodwill account debit, कितना goodwill raise करने का decide हुआ है? 60,000. फिर किशोर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, ये कौन रेज करेगा? जो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर है. दोज हु आर एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स बिफोर गिविंग द एडमिशन टू राम, these partners will raise the goodwill, amount of goodwill by rupees 60,000, because they have said, they have decided 60,000 should be raised in the books of accounts. So goodwill account 60,000, to Kishore's capital account 45. How this 45 has come? 3/4, 60,000 into 3/4, and Lal's capital account 60,000 into 1/4. तो ये आएगा 45,000. This will come as 15,000. So total is 60,000. अभी जब रेज की है तो इसका इफेक्ट कहाँ जाएगा? See, I have written with black ink. Goodwill will appear in the new balance sheet. ये एक एसेट तैयार हो गया, इंटैंजिबल एसेट, और ये बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड में आएगा गुडविल अकाउंट. आई होप दिस ऑल यू हैव अंडरस्टूड वेल. नाउ विल स्टार्ट विद द वर्किंग. we will prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account. Even I'm going to prepare goodwill account, cash account and the new balance sheet so that you'll understand it well. Now we are going to prepare accounts. See, profit and loss adjustment account, bank account, goodwill account and partners capital account. Then I'll be preparing new balance sheet. Okay. So for what profit and loss adjustment account is prepared? For revaluation of assets and liabilities. Now see, in the adjustment number 4, it was told that furniture and stock be depreciated by 10%. So what will be the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debit to furniture account to stock account. Okay, so to furniture account to stock account. Now the value of furniture is 6,000. 10% will come to 600. The value of stock is 60,000. So value will 10% value will come to 6,000. Then there is appreciation in the value of land and building by 15,000. 20%. So the value of land and building as per the given balance sheet is 75,000. So at the rate of 20%, it comes to 15,000. 15,000. This side if you total up 6,600. इधर का यदि टोटल करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 6,600 डेबिट साइड का. क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल कितना है? 15,000. सो दिस इज हायर, दैट मीन्स देयर इज रीवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट. तो आप क्या करोगे? क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल ले लो 15,000 माइनस करो 6,600. तो what will be the value? Remaining value will be 8,400. Now it will be shared in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 3/4 into 8,400, 1/4 into 8,400. So Kishore will get the revaluation profit share 6,300. Lal will get 2,100. Here we have closed profit and loss adjustment account. Is it clear to you everyone? Now I have prepared bank account because what in the last adjustment what they have said, that that capital should be in their new profit sharing ratio and excess or deficit be adjusted through cash account or bank account. Okay. So I'll be preparing this bank account. See, as per your old balance sheet, the balance brought down is 30,000. Then Ram has brought capital rupees 60,000. Is it clear to you? Now we have raised the amount of goodwill. What was the journal entry that I had shown you before this? It was goodwill account debit to Kishore's capital account to Lal's capital account, and the amount was 45,000 and 15,000. So goodwill account debit to Kishore's capital account 45,000, to Lal's capital account 15,000. Now is this goodwill returned back? No, it is only raised. So by balance brought down 60,000. यहाँ का टोटल ले लोगे 60,000 आएगा, वो क्रेडिट साइड में रखोगे 60,000 और बाद में ये दोनों क्लोज हो गए. ये गुडविल अकाउंट कहाँ पर आएगा? बैलेंस ट्रांसफर टू न्यू बैलेंस शीट. इसका वैल्यू गुडविल अकाउंट का न्यू बैलेंस शीट में आ जाएगा. नाउ सी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. देखो बैलेंस शीट के जो एग्जिस्टिंग बैलेंस शीट आपको दी है उसमें by balance brought down, yeah, what is their balance is given as per the balance sheet, existing balance sheet. Kishore's 90,000 and Lal's is 48,000. There was a on the liability side reserve fund which was accumulated profit. Now this again they are going to share in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:1. So this will come to 9,000 and 3,000. Now see goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Now on the capital account credit side it will come by goodwill account 45,000 and 15,000. यहाँ डेबिट में आया है तो गुडविल कहाँ आएगा? क्रेडिट में आ जाएगा. ओके. देन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट. दिस प्रॉफिट, here profit we have taken it here 6,300, 2,100. Now by cash, this is the capital brought in by Ram. So by cash 60,000. Now the last adjustment, in the last adjustment they told that their capital be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio. What was their new profit sharing ratio? 3:1:1 is their profit sharing ratio. So we will to balance carried down 1,80,000, 60,000 and 60,000. This will appear in the new balance sheet. Now excess होगा तो उनको दे दिया जाएगा, deficit होगा तो मंगाया जाएगा. Now see, by cash Ram has brought 60,000, that you know, and the total of Kishore should be 1,80,000 because on the debit side nothing is mentioned, but it is short. उसका टोटल क्रेडिट साइड का कितना आ रहा है? 1,50,000 and 300 आ रहा है, जबकि चाहिए 1,80,000. सो डेफिसिट इज बाय 29,700. ये डेफिसिट है. तो ये कैश मंगाई गई है. देखो कैश अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में टू किशोर्स कैपिटल 29,700. इज इट अंडरस्टूड? ये वाला और ये वाला वो क्रेडिट साइड में है और ये डेबिट साइड में है. 29,700. ठीक है. नाउ you'll total up. First Ram 60,000, 60,000. फिर लाल का है. How much is the Lal's total on the credit side? Because his capital was more actual to this. So 68,100, but it should be 60,000. So he is given back rupees 8,100. उसको क्या किया है हमने? वापस कर दिया है लाल को 8,100. देखो इसका इफेक्ट कहाँ पर बताया है? यहाँ पर बताया है. समझ में आ गया? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? जो कैश थी इसको दे दी है. सो ये कैपिटल अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड और कैश अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड. एंड किशोर्स कैपिटल 1,80,000. Now this all I hope you have understood well. Now I'll be preparing the new balance sheet, then we'll end up with this sum. Now we are going to do the new balance sheet. Okay. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Now we will see the asset side. What was said? Land and building be appreciated by 20%. So value of land and building is how much? 75,000. Appreciation by 20%, that comes to 15,000. वो ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 90,000. Okay. Then furniture. What was said? Furniture and stock be depreciated by 10%. Furniture की value 6,000. Less depreciation 10%, 600. So what will be the value remaining? 5,400. Now value of stock, how much? 60,000. Then there is depreciation at the rate of 10%, that is 6,000. So what will be the remaining value after depreciation? 54,000. Then debtors, nothing was said. No RDD or no provision was to be done. No bad debt. So as it is 60,000. Bills receivable 39,000. Cash at bank. What we have taken? The balances. Remaining balance was on the cash account 1,11,600. That we have taken. Goodwill. I had said goodwill is to be written in the new balance sheet because I had prepared. I had made a journal entry also and prepared a goodwill account also. So goodwill 60,000. Now asset side we have completed. Liability side, sundry creditors as it is 1,20,000. Then nothing else is given. Bills payable, outstanding liability, nothing is there. Bank overdraft. So capital accounts, Kishore New capital was how much? 1,80,000, Lal 60,000 and Ram 60,000. Now if you total up liability side, it comes to 4,20,000. Asset side also comes to 4,20,000. Here I have completed this sum. I hope there should not be any doubt. But if you have doubt, you can write me in the comment box. I will solve your doubt.